You've probably seen videos claiming you can make $100 a day with ChatGPT. But then they move so fast or they stay so vague that you are left wondering what you're actually supposed to do. Maybe you've tried asking ChatGPT to write a blog post or to generate some content, but you don't know how to turn that into money. Or you've seen people posting AI side hustle wins on social media while you are stuck trying to figure out your first step. Here's what most people won't tell you. You can use ChatGPT to start making money online, even if you are a complete beginner. But you need a clear, practical plan that shows how to turn ChatGPT's output into services that people actually pay for. And this is where many people get it wrong. Stay with me till the end of this video and I'm going to show you the simple things that make a difference and make your work stand out from the pool of ChatGPT generated hustles. Because ChatGPT itself doesn't magically put money in your bank account. But if you learn how to use it to solve real problems for people, like writing content they need help with, helping them with their social media, or even polishing their resumes, you can start earning $50 or $100 or more in a single day, even while working flexible hours. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through the 3 realistic beginner-friendly ways that you can use ChatGPT to earn your first $100 online, step by step. No complicated funnels, no paid ads, no prior tech skills required. Just practical methods that you can start today to move from trying to make money online to actually getting paid. If you're as excited as I am, please make sure to smash the like button, leave a comment below, and make sure to share this video with somebody. Right now, AI is everywhere. Businesses, creators, and even parents are using tools like ChatGPT to save time. But while most people use ChatGPT for themselves, few realize that they can still earn with it by helping others with tasks that you can do. Just think about it. Small business owners need social media posts, but they don't have time to write them. Bloggers need drafts and outlines to keep up with the content, and job seekers need help with writing resumes and cover letters. Coaches and creators, they need scripts and email newsletters. All of these are tasks that you can easily help with using ChatGPT, and people are willing to pay for these services. Just check out Fiverr, Upwork, and other freelance sites. So if you are looking for a low cost, low risk way to start making money online, leveraging ChatGPT to offer these services is one of the simplest ways you can get started this year. Businesses and creators need content to stay visible. But writing, it is time consuming. And here's how you can help. Use ChatGPT to generate outlines, first drafts, or full articles for blog posts, newsletters, or even YouTube scripts. Offer this as freelance services on platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, or a niche Facebook group or Reddit community. Price smaller projects as $20 to $50 each, scaling up as your confidence grows. And here is a practical example. Say a creator pays you $40 for a 1,000 word blog post draft on 5 ways to save on groceries. You use ChatGPT to generate the draft, spend 20 to 30 minutes editing it for clarity, human tone, and personal examples, and then you deliver it. What you're offering isn't just AI texts. It's your time in editing, organizing, and ensuring that it is ready to publish. And by completing 2 to 3 of these per day, you can realistically reach your $100 per day goal, working flexible hours on your laptop. The second method we are going to be discussing is social media content packages. Now, every business from local gym to Etsy shop owners need consistent social media posts to attract clients. Most don't have time or ideas, so they either pay agencies or they let their accounts go silent. So this is where you come in. You use ChatGPT to generate 10 to 20 social media captions in the client's niche. Use Canva to pair this with captions with simple images or carousels. if you want to increase the rates. Now, package these as 10 Instagram posts or 15 Facebook captions for $50 to $100 per package. And here is a practical example. You approach a local dog groomer, a small cafe or fitness coach, and offer to create 10 Instagram captions with hashtags for $75. You use ChatGPT to generate drafts, spend 30 to 40 minutes tailoring them to the client's tone, add relevant hashtags, and deliver a clean Google Doc or Canva file. When you land just one or two of these clients a week, you will consistently hit the $100 days while working from home or from a coffee shop. Now let's talk about the third method, resume and cover letter services. People pay good money for polished resumes and personalized cover letters, especially if you're applying for competitive jobs. And here is where you come in. List resume editing and writing services on Fiverr, Upwork, or share in a local Facebook group. Use ChatGPT to draft or improve resumes and cover letters based on the client's current document and target job description. You can charge anything from $40 to $100 per project depending on the complexity and the delivery time. And here is a practical example. A client pays you $60 to refresh their resume for a marketing job. You upload their current resume to ChatGPT, ask it to enhance, format, tighten language, and highlight results. Then you spend the next 30 minutes personalizing the tone and ensuring that it looks and sounds human. And you can also offer LinkedIn profile optimization using ChatGPT to generate strong summaries, headlines, and featured sections. Now, if you get 2 clients like this per day, you can easily bring in $100 to $150 while you work flexibly and help others land better opportunities. But how do I find clients for these services, you might ask? 1. Fiverr and Upwork. You need to create a clear, keyword-rich gig listing with titles like "I will write SEO blog posts under AI" or "I will create 10 Instagram captions for your business." You can also use Facebook groups. Join groups by small business owners, bloggers, job seekers, and look out for content or resume help requests. Another thing you can do is to join Reddit communities. Now, subreddits like R for Hire or R Freelance and other niche communities often have people asking for help. Another way you can find clients is local outreach. So basically, you can offer your services to a local business by sending a friendly DM or email explaining how you can help them with consistent content. All of these help you to get better and confident. And the more confident you get, the more you can increase your price because you get good testimonials from your clients. Now, here are 4 side hustles that no one is talking about this year that you should get right on. Click this video to watch and I'll see you in there.